Now that you've chosen to protect your family's budget against home system and appliance breakdowns due to regular wear and tear, how do you go about signing up for an American Home Shield warranty plan? And how does a home warranty work when something does break down? Luckily, signing up for an American Home Shield warranty plan is easy. Simply click the Get Started button on our website or call us. Then choose from one of 3 flexible home warranty plans that fits your budget and covers the home systems and appliances you worry about most. Next, choose from 3 fixed service fees that you'll pay to receive a diagnosis from a qualified contractor when a covered item breaks down. You can then select add-on coverage for home electronics, pools and spas, guest units, and more. Create your member account, enter your payment information, and you're good to go. 30 days after signing up, you'll be able to submit American Home Shield claims. While our helpful representative can take service requests over the phone, the ability to access your mobile-friendly My Account page online 24/7 can make submitting an AHS repair request even easier. Just log into your account and select the item that needs service from our list of covered systems and appliances. American Home Shield claim forms are that simple and take less time to fill out than researching your own repair specialist and negotiating fees. Your My Account page can also give you detailed updates on your service requests. After submitting your request, we'll match you with a qualified contractor and confirm your claim. You can wait for them to contact you about scheduling a service appointment, or you can contact them to set a time. Our network of over 17,000 contractors works with your schedule to fit your busy lifestyle. They'll arrive and efficiently diagnose the issue. They will assess the broken system or appliance to determine if the damaged parts are covered under your warranty. If they are, your contractor will either perform a repair or recommend a replacement of the item so that you and your family can get back to your household routines. We'll send you a follow-up email to make sure the service of your home system or appliance was performed to your satisfaction. American Home Shield service calls come with a guarantee, so if you have an issue with your completed repair within 30 days of service, we'll send a contractor back out at no additional cost. What do you do when you're not getting through the home warranty claim process? Enjoy great member perks like discounts on AC refrigerant, HVAC tune-ups, air filters, lock rekey service, and the peace of mind that your family's budget is protected against future breakdowns. At American Home Shield, we help homeowners feel confident and in control of their homes, even when things break down. For more information on American Home Shield's warranty coverage, visit ahs.com.